So now I want to import another image, which is in this moment still in Photoshop. It is this image. This image has an alpha channel with the selection of the background. I want to remove, I want to have this image without the background. So in this case, it's better not to click and drag, but to import in InDesign according to the old rule, Command D, and you go searching for the image, PSD, absolutely, do not save as PNG. And what you want to see is that you need to have like a option on, make visible the option, and show import option is a very crucial. Don't forget this one, because when you open, you have the option available. You may decide which layer you want to actually show, and from image you may decide which alpha channel you want to take advantage of. So when you click OK and then you click and drag, what you have is a very nice picture. Looks a little blurry, but okay, it's fine, with a full transparency on the back. Also, the alpha channel will be very important. I will take advantage of the alpha channel in a moment later. So now I just want to change the size of this picture a little like this, and then I will play with the text, and then I will also manage the text, and to make a dialogue between this lady here, which is covering the text, I want to make the text flowing around the image itself.